Hello, welcome to my kitchen. This is Chuck, and this is Food by Chuck. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make gourmet bodybuilding soup. Okay, first off, I got chorizo premium gourmet sausage. I grabbed that from Walmart. So easy to find. Just go to your local food station. You cannot miss it. All right. Next up, I went ahead and put in what I got here. I got a little bit of potatoes, about half a cup. Not too much. Just mix it in. Along with my green peppers, bell peppers, and red peppers for the spices, of course. And the onions. You know, you got to make, spice it up a little bit and make it taste awesome. Get a little tang to it. On my little classico I got, whatever, tomato sauce you want to use. At the end, that's what it should look like. If you enjoyed that soup, I have tons more just like it. Go to my Instagram page where you'll find things like for chickens, for your breakfast, for your oats, for any type of meal that you would possibly need on your bodybuilding and fitness goals. And once you have that, you're set. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and till next time, keep lifting.